नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, नॉलेज मीडिया के इस चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो नीचे दिए बेल आइकन पर प्रेस करके सबसे पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे कि इस चैनल पर दी जाने वाली सभी प्रकार की यूज़फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन आप सब तक इमीडिएटली पहुंच जाए। आज हम आपसे बात करने जा रहे हैं पार्टनरशिप फर्म की टैक्सेबिलिटी, दैट इज taxability of income of partnership firm as per the provisions of Income Tax Act 1961। फ्रेंड्स, पार्टनरशिप फर्म की इनकम को टैक्सेबल करने से पहले हमें सबसे पहले जानना होता है कि पार्टनरशिप फर्म और लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप फर्म में कोई भी फर्क नहीं है। इनकम टैक्स एक्ट के प्रोविजंस पार्टनरशिप फर्म और लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप फर्म के लिए एक जैसे हैं। सबसे पहले प्रोविजंस ऑफ सेक्शन 184 अप्लाई होता है, जो कहता है कि सैलरी, कमीशन और रेम्यूनरेशन सिर्फ वर्किंग पार्टनर को दिया जाएगा। इफ द पार्टनर इज नॉन वर्किंग तो सैलरी, रेम्यूनरेशन और कमीशन नहीं दिया जाएगा। उसके बाद सेक्शन 40B कहता है कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 12% की रेट से दिया जाएगा, और अगर इससे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट दिया जा रहा है दैट विल बी डिसअलाउड। तो फ्रेंड्स, हम इस सारे प्रोविजंस को एक प्रॉब्लम की हेल्प से समझते हैं। ये हमने प्रॉब्लम आप सबकी स्क्रीन पर आ रही है। ये प्रॉब्लम, इसमें हम ये निकालेंगे कि पार्टनरशिप फर्म में टैक्सेबल इनकम कैसे निकाली जाती है। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम सबसे पहले लिखते हैं कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ taxable income of XYZ company for the assessment year 2019-20। We start by taking net profit as per profit and loss account, and this net profit is 8,1,500. Then here we add the inadmissible items, inadmissible expenses, that is the expenses that the firm has claimed in P&L account, but as per the provisions of Income Tax Act, the expenses are not allowed to the firm. And in this, the first is, that is donation to this is donation to Birla Temple, and the amount is 10,000. Then we have the depreciation. In the profit and loss account, the firm has claimed the depreciation of rupees 90,000, whereas the permissible depreciation is 70,000. That means the firm has claimed excessive depreciation by 20,000, and then we'll add this 20,000 excess depreciation. Then we have purchases. Here it is given that purchases include one bill of rupees 30,000 which was paid in cash. Friends, you know that as per 40A3, all the transactions should be made by account paid check or the bank draft or by online transactions if they exceed rupees 10,000. So here the purchases are of 30,000 but they are paid in cash. So the entire amount is disallowed. Then we add the salary to partners. This is A, B, C. We add this thing. This is 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. This comes to, this is 1,80,000. Then we add the commission given to A, and this is 20,000. Then we have plus interest on partners' capital in excess of 12%. So I have taken A, this is 10,000 divided by 15 multiplied by 3, and this comes to 2,000. For B it is 8,500 divided by 15 multiplied by 3, and this comes to 1,700. Then we come to C, and this is 5,003 divided by 15, and this comes to 1,000, and this entire total is 4,700. Now we add all this and we get the total of all this inadmissible expenses 2,64,700. 2,64,700. We add this 2,64,700 in our net profit and we get 10,66,200 after adding in net profit. This 10,66,200. Then here we add this closing stock. The closing stock is undervalued, so we add effects of undervaluation of closing stock. Here we have 3,25,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 80, and this comes to, that means the stock should be of 4,06,250, but we have claimed only 3,25,000. That means we have claimed less amount for closing stock by 81,250. So this is added and we get 11,47,250. This becomes 450. So 11,47,450. Now we deduct the non-business income, and here we have, that is, long-term capital gain and interest on government securities. The long-term capital gain is of 4,50,000 and interest is 7,000. So this is 4,57,000. So this becomes 7,000 690, 450. This becomes 690, 450. So this 6,90,450 is book profit before claiming for remuneration to partners. Now here we'll give, that is, first of all, minus adjustment for, this is book profit, so this is adjustment for unabsorbed depreciation. So this is 1 lakh, because you know that unabsorbed depreciation can be carried forward for indefinite period, and the benefit of allowing this unabsorbed depreciation is available whether the business is continued or discontinued. Now we'll deduct this depreciation and we'll get 5,90,450. Now we'll divide for this among partners. So you all know remuneration is either A, the actual, that is 1,80,000, plus commission, that is 2 lakh, or you can write here remuneration is least of, lower of the rupees 90% of first rupees 3 lakh and 60% of balance. So here we have, that is 2 lakh, or the 90% of 3 lakh is 2,70,000 plus 60% of balance is 60% of, that is 60% of 2,90,450 is comes to 174,270. 174,270, and this 444,270. So whichever is lower, this 2 lakh is lower. So the remuneration is 2 lakh. So the remuneration is 2 lakh. We deduct this remuneration of rupees 2 lakh and we get the business income of 3,90,450. Now computation of tax liability of the firm that is business income 390,450 plus long-term capital gain plus interest. This is of 4,50,000 and this is 7,000. The gross total income comes to This comes to 847,450. 847,450. From this we deduct deductions. We have ATG. You all know ATG. There are certain donations for which we give 100% benefit. There are certain donations for which we give 50%. There are certain donations which are restricted to 10% of adjusted gross total income. And the adjusted gross total income is gross total income minus all deductions except this ATG, minus this long-term capital gain, minus short-term capital gain under 111A. So this SIC has made donation to Birla Temple. This is approved under section ATG, so we'll give deduction, but that will be restricted to 50% of 10% of adjusted GTI. So first of all, we'll calculate the adjusted GTI, that is 8,47,450 minus 4,50,000, and this is long-term capital gain, and this is, we can deduct like this, 457,450 and then 450. This comes to, this is 3. That means the 10% is 3,974,5. That means the SIC can make the donation up to 39,745. But here the amount is only 10,000. So that means the entire 10,000 is eligible for donation for deduction under section ATG, but the 50%, that is 5,000. So here it is 8,42,450. Now comes the computation of tax liability. You know tax liability, that is this 842,450. Now this 842 is divided into two categories because we have long-term capital gain that is taxable at the rate of 20% and the balance is taxable at a flat rate of 30%. So we have, that is 4,50,000 at the rate of 20% and the balance, that is 392,450 at the rate of 30%, and this comes to 90,000 and this comes to 117,735. The total of these two tax liability comes to 207,735 plus 4% of HEC. 4% of HEC thus comes to 8309. The total tax liability is, the total tax liability is 216,044. 216,044. So this is tax liability rounded off 216,040. Now we come to the partner's capital account. This is A, this is B. First of all, the share of profit in the firm, and you know that firm has paid the tax, so this is nil. And then we have remuneration because it was permissible, so this is 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. Then we have the commission that is allowed only to A, that is of 20,000. Then we have interest on capital account. Here we have that is 10,000 minus 10,000, that was not allowed. So 10,000 minus 2,000, that is 8,000. And here it is 8,500 minus 1,700. So this comes to 6,800. And then further we have 5,000 minus 1,000, and this comes to 4,000. So friends, we have seen in this way the firm's income is taxable as per the provisions of Income Tax Act 1961, and further the partner's income is determined. So friends, I hope कि ये आपको अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आया होगा, और अगर फिर भी आपकी कोई क्वेरी है तो आप नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर आप इसको भेज सकते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, एंजॉय करिए. हैव ए वेरी गुड टाइम. थैंक यू.